Hi viewers, this is Hari Katta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Tips by Hari Katta. Today our topic is loss on drying. First of all, we discuss about what is loss on drying (LOD). Okay, as per USP, the test LOD is mentioned in the 731 USP chapter. First, about loss on drying. Any substance or any drug substance contains some volatile matters, whatever it is, either water or solvent present in the drug. These are the solvents or water which are used in the manufacturing unit, which is used for the purification technique for the product. So that whatever the solvents or water used for the purification in the plant manufacturing unit, even at certain temperature they dried also, some of the little amounts in the trace levels of the amounts binded with the drug product, that can be estimated by loss on drying. So there are several techniques used for the loss on drying measurements. First one is hot air oven technique. This is a manual technique which is generally used in the all pharmaceutical companies. By using hot air oven, we use 50 degrees to 250 degrees centigrade based on the product nature. Means based on the melting point of the compound, we use wide range 50 degrees to 250 degrees centigrade for 3 hours using a LOD bottle and analytical balance. So here we use LOD bottle for estimation of loss on drying of a pharmaceutical product. Here W1 is the weight of the bottle which is used for the sample weighing. WT is the weight of the bottle plus 1 gram of the sample taken for the analysis. After weighing the sample, we put the sample along with the weighing bottle into a hot air oven at specific temperature which is mentioned in the pharmaceutical STP, standard test procedure or monograph method. So after 3 hours, we remove from the hot air oven and keep it in a desiccator for 30 minutes for cooling up to the room temperature. Then after cooling, we have to weigh it as a W3 after 3 hours. So we have a formula for calculating the loss on drying. It is based on the weight by weight, purely weight by weight percent. So loss in the sample W2 minus W3 by net sample weight W2 minus W1 into 100. By using this formula, we can estimate the percentage loss or loss on drying of a pharmaceutical product. Next, and this technique is a very longer process. For one analysis, it takes 4 hours for LOD determination, and it requires 1 gram of sample for estimating the loss on drying of a sample. The second one is a halogen moisture analyzer. This is a instrumental technique which is used for the detection of measurement of loss on drying. Here halogen moisture analyzer, halogen cathode lamp is used for the generating the temperature which is required for the evaporation. So here we require 1 to 2 grams of sample for analysis, and it is a time and temperature program. Here we use gradient program temperature for estimating the loss on drying of a pharmaceutical product, and minimum detection level is 0.01%, and it requires less time for analysis. It means we can use this halogen moisture analyzer, we can complete analysis within 30 30 minutes of time. Here it will take 4 hours of analysis. Same analysis we analyze by this halogen moisture analyzer. It will take only 30 minutes of time. And next one is TZA, thermogravimetric analysis. Here it is a very advanced technique. The temperature range from 300 to 900 degrees centigrade, and we can analyze here LOD and residue on ignition analysis also. So for a pharmaceutical product, we can estimate LOD and residue on ignition at a time by using thermogravimetric analysis. Here, for inert atmosphere, we use nitrogen gas also to reduce the oxidation, and here we use very less amount of sample. 10 mg sample is required for analysis. So comparatively, here this time taken process is very high in the hot air oven technique, and halogen moisture analyzer also, it requires more sample comparatively hot air oven, and here time consumption is only 30 minutes. Here very lesser quantity of sample is required for analysis, and at single analysis we can analyze LOD and residue on ignition at a time. Okay, this is about loss on drying technique. By using these three methods, we can estimate the loss on drying of a pharmaceutical product. Thank you very much.